The skin thickness map shows an anomaly here.
Yes, but the skeletal alignment data looks perfect. We need to cross-reference the scans.
Mandible alignment is stable.
Finishing the eyelid curvature now. We need realistic moisture distribution.
Check the flow rate on printer 3.
Ramping up smoothly, calibration is holding steady.
The left zygomatic arch needs slightly more definition. Check the symmetry against the digital scan.
Alignment check on mold 7.
Tolerances confirmed. Ready for seal application.
Station 3, check viscosity levels again. We are falling behind schedule.
Levels are stable, Supervisor. Proceeding with the pour.
Rack 4 is complete.
Bring it over. Let's get this open and inspected.
The translucency looks accurate, but the vein visibility is slightly off.
Agreed. Let's add another drop of the neutralizing blue undertone.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Good, the flow rate looks perfect.
Quality check passed. Looks excellent.
Logging batch 42C now. Move it to assembly.
Almost there, just a few millimeters lower on the left.
Alignment holding steady at 99.8%.
Confirmed. Proceed with locking sequence.
We have a slight imperfection here, just above the wrist joint.
Understood. I'll blend that immediately.
This passes the cross-lighting verification. The depth is highly realistic.
Pupil is centered according to the laser grid.
Reflection looks accurate. Proceed with the eyelid test.
Cross-reference the density on the screen for section gamma.
Already done, Supervisor. It matches the requirement. This one looks consistent with the profile. Go ahead and log it as approved.
Check the color gradient on the elbow joint. It's slightly off.
Yes, Supervisor. I'll correct it now.
Note section 3 needs additional micro-texturing around the eyes.
I see it. The reflectivity is too high.
The consistency scores here are slightly below the threshold.
I agree. We should recalibrate the pressure sensors on the next run.
Reviewing the symmetry on this batch.
Consistent with the master template. Approved for finishing.
Check the tension on the outer layer here.
Yes, Supervisor. I will readjust the straps now.
Scan complete for batch 7.
Confirmed on the manifest. Moving to Zone 4.
Scan complete for batch 7. Cross-referencing production logs now.
Confirmed. Move to Platform 4.
Ensure the lighting symmetry is perfect on Unit 7.
Confirmed. Adjusting the backlight now.
Batch 7B shows a 4% deviation on the ocular alignment.
Rerunning the scan. Initial readings were within tolerance.
Cross-reference with the texture metrics. Batch 7B shows a 4% deviation on the ocular alignment.
Rerunning the scan. Initial readings were within tolerance.
Cross-reference with the texture metrics.
The skin tone needs slight adjustment on the forearm.
I'll use the 0.5 nozzle for that blend.
Batch 924A confirmed. Location S01. Duration 6 months.
Confirming arrival at checkpoint Delta. Ensure temperature remains at 20 degrees Celsius. Shipment is approved for transit.
Platform 1. Rotate 45 degrees and hold. Camera array B. Begin scanning sequence.
Make sure the hairline is perfect on the left side.
Looks good. We are ready to capture the next angle.
Approved.
Ensure all QR codes are logged before loading. Bay 4 needs support.
Confirmed, Supervisor.
Let's get a little more volume on the left side of the hair.
Right, like this?
Perfect. Hold that. Humidity levels are stable across all zones.
And the data logs match the physical count for batch 9.
Verify the inspection logs for batch 7 against the shipping manifests.
Already done, Supervisor. It's fully compliant.
Line 4, increase speed by 10%.
We need immediate clearance on the quality inspection batch.